Have you ever wondered if the Earth, this very sphere spinning beneath our feet every moment, could actually generate electricity? You might think it sounds like a joke or a piece of science fiction, but no. Scientists at Princeton University in the United States have, for the first time, proven that it's possible. Today, we're diving together into one of the most astonishing scientific discoveries ever made. A discovery that might one day play a role in all of our lives.
Hello everyone, I'm Samim Naibi, and today we're going to explore an incredible scientific discovery. One that shows even the rotation of the Earth can generate electricity. The story goes back about 200 years ago, when a brilliant physicist named Michael Faraday proposed an idea. If the Earth is spinning and has a magnetic field, then maybe that motion could be used to produce electricity. At that time, there were no tools or technologies capable of testing such a concept, and the idea remained more like a dream. But now, after 2 centuries, physicists at Princeton University in the United States have finally decided to put this old idea to the test.
Now, let's fast forward to today. Scientists built a hollow cylinder made of ferrite, a special magnetic material. Then, they carefully aligned the cylinder precisely with the Earth's magnetic field and its axis of rotation. The result? A tiny but real electric current, about 17 microvolts. You might wonder, what does 17 microvolts even mean? Well, that's such a small amount of electricity that it couldn't even power a tiny LED light. But the important point is, the principle was proven. To make sure the current wasn't coming from any other source, the researchers repeated the experiment in different locations, eliminated heat and electromagnetic noise, and ran multiple tests. In the end, the result was always the same. The electricity was truly being generated by the interaction between Earth's rotation and its magnetic field. Now, the big question is, could we ever power our homes using the Earth's rotation? For now, no. The generated current is extremely weak, and with today's technology, scaling it up is almost impossible. But scientifically, it's a huge achievement. In theory, if one day we could harvest this energy on a massive scale, the Earth's rotation might actually slow down by a few milliseconds over centuries. But don't worry, that change would be so tiny that it would have absolutely no effect on our daily lives. Despite the limitations, scientists say this discovery could, in the future, help power small devices like remote sensors or scientific instruments in places where no conventional energy source exists. And there's even a funny thought. If we ever managed to harness this power on a global scale, the Earth's spin would gradually become just a little slower, though not enough for us to ever notice. Maybe just a few milliseconds per century, that's all. This discovery reminds us that even the most ordinary things we see every day, like the Earth's rotation, can hide profound mysteries within them. Now, I want to ask you, if one day we could generate electricity from the Earth's rotation, where and how would you want that energy to be used? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next one.